Hello Veeam friends, Shiva Pillay here, your Senior Vice President and General Manager of Americas at Veeam. I am beyond thrilled to share some news today. Gartner has ranked Veeam #1 by revenue worldwide in their market share report for the enterprise backup and recovery software 2023. Now, as the need for data resilience accelerates, Veeam has jumped to the lead position worldwide, with revenues over $1.5 billion and growing. At Veeam, we are powering data resilience end-to-end. We like to break this down into 5 very simple pillars. Number 1, data backup. Industry best RPO, which equals minimal to no data loss. Number 2, data recovery. 5 times faster recovery speeds versus the whole market. Flexible, portable, and granular recovery. Next is data freedom. Our patented portable data format delivers the ultimate freedom no matter where the workload is and where it needs to be in the future. Data security in the world of ransomware, built-in real, and I mean real, zero trust architecture, data integrity with immutability at every step of the way. And we round it off with data intelligence. It's our relentless innovation around providing more insights and automations for our users as they address the world's most complex problems. Now, we provide this end-to-end ransomware protection to over 550,000 organizations in more than 150 countries around the world. Our responsibility is to ensure their data is available wherever and whenever they need it. Veeam has become the market leader by combining incredible innovation with strong partnerships and an undying commitment to our customers. We recently added Coveware by Veeam, which is part of our cybersecure program. Now, this delivers the first true end-to-end ransomware protection offering in the market. With Coveware, we now cover not only the technology, the process, but we also have the people available to help you recover in real time when problems strike. Our double-digit year-over-year growth is a testament to our entire Veeam community, our 550,000 customers, our partners, our alliances, and mostly our employees who take the fight every day. Now that we've reached yet another #1 status, I promise that on behalf of our entire Veeam team, we will do our very best to earn the right to stay at the top for each of you as we continue our mission to keep our businesses running, your businesses running, and ultimately very, very secure.